Welcome to Microsoft Office Word 2007. Today we are going to talk about different ways of moving through the Word document. Moving through the Word document is also known as navigating through the document. Let us prepare some text. Instead of typing the text manually like this, because it takes lot of time for us, we will use one command called rand which gives us some random text automatically. Now type equal and RAND opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis, press enter. I am typing the same command again which gives us some random text. Now we reach to the end of the page. Whenever we open the Word document, it creates only one page for us. Whenever we open the Word document, it creates only one page for us. Observe the status bar. Observe my mouse pointer. There is only one page. As soon as you type some more text, automatically a new page will be created. It means second page. This is the second page. If you keep on typing more text, some more pages will be created for us. Now this is the third page. Here 3 of 3 refers to we are in the third page and totally there are 3 pages in our document. When I am in the second page, you observe the status bar, we are in the second page and there are totally 3 pages in our document. This represents the total number of words in our document. Up to now we typed 1299 words. When you type some another word, suppose I am typing the word hello, now one word is increased 1300 words, and also there is a symbol here between one page to another page. This is called page break. Page break refers to the end of the page. This is the end of the first page, this is the beginning of the second page. Okay, now we will look at how to navigate through the document. We can take the help of arrow keys as well as home key, end key, page up and page down key, as well as scroll bar on the right hand side, and also some navigation tools and also some special navigational tools to navigate through the document. First we'll take the help of arrow keys. Now we are in the second page, first line. If you want to move towards down line by line, we can press down arrow key on the keyboard. If you want to move line by line towards upward direction, we can use up arrow key on the keyboard. If you want to move character by character towards right side, press right arrow key on the keyboard. If you want to move very fastly, hold right arrow key so that it will move very fastly towards right side. If you want to move towards left side, character by character, we can use left arrow key. If you want to move very fastly, hold left arrow key, then it will go very fastly, character by character towards left side. Now, if you want to move word by word, okay, one way of moving word by word is pressing the mouse pointer. Now I am clicking the mouse pointer so that, but it takes lot of time, okay, and it is very tough to click word by word. Instead of that, we can take the help of control plus right arrow key. Control plus right arrow key means hold control and right arrow key at the same time. I am holding control key with my left hand and right arrow key with my right hand so that it will go word by word towards right side direction. Observe the mouse pointer as well as observe the cursor now. Okay, if you want to move word by word towards left side direction, use control and left arrow key. Observe the cursor, it is moving word by word towards left side direction. Okay, if you want to move paragraph by paragraph towards down, suppose I am in this first paragraph, if I want to go to second paragraph, what we had to do, we had to click here with mouse. Instead of that, we can use, okay, we can use control plus down arrow key. I am holding control and down arrow key at the same time. Now it is moving paragraph by paragraph towards downward direction. If you want to move paragraph by paragraph towards the upward direction, we have to use control and up arrow key. Okay, if you want to move to the end of the line, one way is by using right arrow key. Okay, instead of that, if you press end key on the keyboard, directly it will go to the end of the line. If you want to move to the beginning of the line, instead of using the arrow keys like this, you can press home key on the keyboard so that it will go to beginning of the line. Okay, end for end of the line and home for beginning of the line. Observe in the keyboard there are home key and end key, page up and page down keys are presented nearby in the keyboard. Now if you want to move screen by screen, you can use page down on the keyboard. Now I am using page down. If you want to move screen by screen towards upward direction, we have to use page up. You observe cursor also. As we are moving towards down, cursor is also moving towards down. As we are moving up, cursor is also moving towards upward. As well as you observe here scroll bar also moving. Right or no? It means if you want to move screen by screen, we can also press up arrow key which is presented on the scroll bar. Okay, observe the mouse pointer. If you use down arrow key, it will go screen by screen towards downward direction. Instead of that, if you want to move one page at a time, suppose we are in the first page. If you want to move to the second page, suppose I am going to beginning of the first page, we are in the first page beginning, I want to move to the second page. If I use page down, I am pressing 2 times to go to second page. Again I am pressing 2 times. Again I am pressing 2 times to go to the third page. Instead of that, if you want to go to page by page at one single step, we had to use Ctrl plus page up on the keyboard. Now I am holding Ctrl and page up. It will go one page up. You observe we are in the third page. I am holding Ctrl and pressing page up. It is going to the second page. Now I am holding Ctrl and page up. It is going to first page. Now I am pressing Ctrl and page up. It is not moving because there are no previous pages, because we are already in the first page. Similarly, if you hold Ctrl and page down, it will go to second page. You observe cursor also moving to second page. Now cursor is moving to third page. Instead of using Ctrl page up and Ctrl page down, on the scroll bar, you observe the mouse pointer, there is a double arrow presented here. Towards upward direction, double arrows, right? Towards downward direction. This is also take us from page by page. Or we are in the second page, it will go to the first page. Okay, third page to second page to first page it will take. This one, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. And also observe on the scroll bar, there is some space above the scroll bar and below the scroll bar. If you click in the space above the scroll bar, it will move one full screen at a time. If you click on the space which is left below the scroll bar, it will move one full screen at a time. Okay. And also there is a special tool in between these arrows called Object by Browser tool. When you click on this Object by Browser tool, there are some options set here: browse by field, browse by endnote, browse by footnote, like this. Normally, the option of browse by will be set to page. Okay, this is browse by page. As the option is set to browse by page, whenever you are using these double arrow keys, it is moving page by page. Okay. If we set to some other option, suppose I am setting browse by object to table, then what will happen? If you press up arrow key, it will go to table by table towards previous pages. If you press down arrow key, it will go to table by table towards downward pages. Now I will prepare some tables in our document. Go to insert menu and table here. Now I am inserting 2 by 2 table. In the same page I am inserting another table, okay, with 4 by 2. Then I am going to the second page. I am going to the second page. Then you go to insert and table. I am pressing, okay, I am typing 3 by 3 table. Okay, I am went to third page. I am pressing 4 by 3 table. Okay. Now if you want to move table by table, now if you want to move table by table, I am pressing here, it will go to previous table. Now I am pressing here, it will go to next table. You observe here, when I hold this, you observe here, when I keep the mouse pointer in the double arrow towards down, there is one hint for us, that is called tooltip. The tooltip represents what this option will do for us. What this option will do for us, it will move to the next table. What this option will do for us, it will move to the previous table. When I set to this one as page, now what this will do for us, it will go to the previous page, and what this will do for us, it will go to the next page. Okay, these are the different ways of navigating through the document. And also we can also use mouse to navigate through the document. We know that nowadays the mouse is having three buttons: left button, right button and center button. In the previous days, usually the mouse used to have only two buttons, left side and right side. Now we are getting another more button, that is third button, that is for scrolling the text. Scrolling means now I am pressing the center button on the mouse, it is going towards upward direction. You observe the scroll bar is moving, right? Now I am using center button on the mouse, it is moving towards upward direction. Now I am using center button of the mouse towards downward direction. You see here the scroll bar is moving towards downward direction. Okay, these are the different ways of navigating through the document. And also one important point to note here, you observe the mouse pointer here 100%. This is called zoom level. Zoom level represents how much extent we are able to view our document. And also one important here, try to observe my mouse pointer here. Here the value is 100%. 100% refers to the zoom level. Zoom level refers to the view of our document. Normally we can view our document of 100%. 100% refers to normal size. If you want to increase the viewing size of our document, you need to click plus here. Observe the mouse pointer. This refers to zoom in. Zoom in refers to increasing the viewing size of our document, and this refers to decreasing the viewing size of our document. Okay, I given one file to you named shortcut keys. Please make a note of all the shortcut keys and get practice with these options so that you will have a clear idea how to navigate through the document.